Welcome to my home, you guys. I'm so excited to be finally sharing it with you. I've been getting requested this video literally since I moved in 2 years ago. So let's get started. As soon as you walk in, this is just my entrance. You'll notice that my style is super minimalistic, very simple and very clean. I like to keep things very decluttered and I don't like to fill up spaces that much. I also get a lot of questions on my hardwood floors. I would just describe them as a neutral deep ash brown, but I don't have the exact color. So in the entrance, we just have this lounge kind of office area, which is perfect for editing and just doing some work. And back there we have a bathroom, a garage, and a laundry room. So once you come up the stairs, we have the living room. This is where I spend most of my time. So by now, you guys know I'm obsessed with my all white on white. So I did get my couch and my ottoman custom made. I know I get a lot of questions about those, but I will leave similar options down below. All the furniture, I will link it down below for you guys. And if I don't have the exact links, there'll be similar options. In this little nook, I decided to put a floor mirror that I got from HomeSense. On the opposite wall of the couch, we have our TV hung up with a fireplace and 2 cabinets. So in the middle of the living room, we have the kitchen, and then it wraps around right into the dining room. These chairs I did get custom made, but I will try to find similar links for you guys. As you can see with my kitchen, I like to keep it clean. I really hate clutter on the countertops and everything, so yeah, it almost looks like no one lives in the kitchen, but we do, I swear. I just like to keep it very minimalistic. So making our way upstairs to the 3rd and last level. Once you get up there, we have a full washroom and my beauty room, and also kind of an empty room that right now I'm just using to take photos in. I use this floor length mirror to take my OOTDs in. And my beauty room, I'm actually currently redoing it and making it a little bit more into a studio / filming room. I'm actually vlogging the entire experience for you guys. Moving on to the master bedroom, the first thing that you see are these huge floor-to-ceiling windows that I have all over the house. I'm obsessed with. They let in so much light. This house is so bright, you guys. So I have my bed over here and 2 night tables. I love these tables, but what I did was I actually just switched out the knobs to chrome ones, and it just amped it up and make it look super expensive, even though I got them very affordable at the Brick. Also, I do get a lot of questions on this dresser. I absolutely love it, but I did get it years ago and they don't sell it anymore, so I will leave some similar options down below for you guys. I love having those mirrors behind the night tables. My sister gave me that idea and I absolutely love it. I also have this tufted ottoman at the foot of the bed. Moving on to the master bathroom, we have a shower and a tub, and I love this big window right by the tub. It just lets in so much light and it gives it like this spa-esque vibe. Then moving on to the closet, I hog up the left side. As you can see here, I take up the most space. And I also have a little malm dresser there to store some more clothes and also my shoes on top. So that is everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing my home. I'm super happy and excited to share it with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.